remove the bezel to access the display screen. Okay, now remove 4 screws from LCD to remove the display screen. Hello guys, welcome to my channel Junction IT Presents Technology. Today I am going to show you how to replace display screen from HP 15BS 545TU laptop. First, remove the battery from the laptop. Now we have to remove the bezel from the laptop. Okay, now we have to remove 4 screws from the screen. Now take out the display screen. Okay, this is the connector, display connector, which is coming from the motherboard. We have to disconnect it. Okay, now we are going to place a new LCD screen. This is the new display screen. See guys, this is called paper LED. This is called paper LED and the pin is 30 pin. I am reconnecting the connector. This is 30 pin connector. I have connected. Okay, I am refitting the screen again. Okay, now I'm going to check whether the display is coming or not. See, the display is coming, and the display is very clear. This is a blue screen coming because there is some operating system error, might be. So I am restarting the laptop again. See guys, I'm restarted. Okay, the Windows is starting. Thanks for watching. If you want to get this type of tutorial video, please subscribe to my channel and you will get the notification automatically. And please like, comment and share. Thank you.